Need here. Today we're going to be doing a parkour map. This is called, oops. Yeah, I fell off the wall. I just died because I spawned like where it wasn't supposed to be. I spawned outside of the map. I don't know how that happened, and like I had to die. So this was made by I don't know. But here. So Mr. Thank you for downloading. You're welcome. Have fun. Play with your friends. Oh. Well, I'm a lonely keeper because I'm a Rosa is sleeping actually. So yeah, so I'm a lonely loner. But then that is not a rule. This map is made for you, and I hope you love it. Break the glass to start the parkour. I have to break this to start the parkour. Okay, so first we need to read to have fun. Also, don't break any blocks, me. Stay in survival, me. Don't cheat, me. PvP is not allowed, me. And the most important, respect all the rules, me. You, me. No punching or killing. I can't do that because I can't kill myself. So I just listen to this, break the glasses, start the career. Stand here and okay. Stage 1 out of 5, easy sky parkour. Stage 6 out of 13, normal, hard, and hard. Okay, stage 1, sky parkour. And I died. I'm such a genius. I'm so good at parkour, as you can tell. I can't get out. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing. I updated my version, as you can see on the top. I updated my version. If you know, that wasn't there before, and I suck at parkour. Even Rosa, and actually Rosa can't beat me. But then even my sister could beat me, like, and she doesn't even know how to play Minecraft. And I died. Trust me, I'm gonna die many times, and this is gonna suck. Ha. And ha. And happy. Oh, that was close. I love easy jumps like this. Yeah, I do. And are you kidding me? Oh me gosh. You know what? I'm not gonna cheat, but then actually, as you can see, I updated my version. But then I need to have cheats on. What? So I need to put cheats on so that way it turn it to always date. I mean like this. Don't know. I can't come because of Mrs. Mommy over here. And school. I can't come because of school and Mrs. Mommy over there. I don't care. Oh, I died. But then you're just gonna be going to the casino and I died. You're wasting all your money on dumb games.
You shut up.
You shut up.
That game is dumb too. I even spend money on your dumb game too.
Whatever.
How was dumb too right there? Just watching
But then you always bet.
How boring.
I've been playing games too, and I keep on dying.
How boring.
But I have Minecraft. Minecraft is more better than your adult games. I have Minecraft. And excuse me, I have 10 subscribers.
Yeah.
You stink. You know what? I could go to main menu, but I'm not. Because I don't cheat. Because I respect the rules. To be honest, I won't put on cheated. But then, seriously. Have you seen?
Anh tự bên mạng rồi người ta hai rồi. Everyday người ta số hàng. Yeah, everyday người ta số hàng.
Oh my gosh. This is easy too. Ha!
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Back to where I was. And I suck. Oh my gosh. Yes, I've made it. Woo, that was too easy. Talk to save yourself, would you? Spawn point. And I'll set my spawn point. And stage, shoot another parkour. Okay, I might have to split this into a couple episodes. Comment I suck. Comment you suck at parkour down below if you agree. If you think I suck. Did that support you or anything? Because I literally suck at parkour. Okay, this is me. I think that the parkour is hard. No, yes it is. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna rage. Oh my gosh. Are you literally kidding me? Are you effing kidding me? I can't even cuss. I want to cuss so bad, but I can't because I'm too young. Plus I'll be breaking rules and it will be unsubscribing for me. You know, I like YouTubers that don't cuss in the videos. To be honest, I watched a video and then someone called me stupid. Because you think you stupid? These children are so stupid. They think I could actually make a working time machine. They're so stupid. And I literally commented, no, Gaming Noah, you are so rude. You don't call people stupid. I mean, I could literally report you. Then does it have anything I need? Bullying? Yes. You don't call people stupid. You're just gonna make people unsubscribe to you. Comment I agree down below if you agree. Right now. Oh yeah. Plus, okay, here's the part. Okay, let's set our goal to 1 like. That would be so awesome if we get 1 like. We've never went. We haven't ever. That's the highest we've ever went in the whole videos and the whole entire life. 1 like is so. You guys, I don't think you guys could do it. F you. I so made that. Oh my gosh. I made that so. I'm gonna literally break my iPad. I'm gonna stretch it out and try to break it. I'm gonna go psycho. You are so annoying. I so made that. You know what? I don't even respect these rules for one reason. Look at all this. Look at all that. Look at that's how bad I suck at parkour.
Okay, ma.
great. Mommy, I hate Minecraft. I hate this. You know what? I don't. Okay, bye. Remember to like, comment, and agree. Bye.